we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
Hey everyone, we are starting our trip
Oh, the good
and we're
times just
going to
begun.
be gone for about 2 weeks.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Find what we're looking for in life. Call us
That's what it
crazy,
looks
but
like.
things are finally right.
Why this thing
The future is bright.
doesn't want to rotate? It's windy. Say hi, Dee.
Before I sleep,
Okay, don't forget that this time. Whoa, Dee.
side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Oh, yeah, I can't see that until we turn on the car.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Kitchen space.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Toilet. Shower. Oh yeah, that thing fell last time. I hope it's going to stick this time. I think we got everything.
Wider. It's like
Oh, it's stuck. It was stuck on, and we had to pull the fuse. But he said he fixed that. All right, I think we're all set.
Hi, Dee. You excited?
Make sure the door opens and closes. Yeah, it's still not showing. I guess the car has to be turned on. Oh, there it is. All right, got the mileage.